Hello everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I was on vacation all this week. I went to Las Vegas for 4 days to celebrate an early birthday, and it's so much fun, but I haven't posted a video in probably like 10 days. So I'm back and I'm ready to work. So I'm starting out with the June 2026 bargain bead box. I have not looked at it yet. If you're not familiar with it, it's $24.99 a month. I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. These are usually valued at over $60. So I wanted to open this with you together. I did look at Lauren's, her spoiler, but I forgot because I've been in Vegas for 4 days having fun. So let's see. This one is called Strawberry Soiree collection, and it's valued at $95.10. It says, enjoy the fruits of summer harvest with this vibrant medley of strawberry quartz and cherry quartz glass. Accents include adorable Lamport glass beads, berry-shaped red crystals, green glass leaf drops, and more. Silver finished findings like an elegant platinum plated brass leaf clasp and quality stainless steel chain complete the collection. I only had 3 hours of sleep last night, so between traveling and everything. So, oh my gosh, she looks so pretty. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh, look at those. Okay. Oh, I love this. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, I love the little flower. Oh, this is really pretty. This is a really fun summer. Oh, and the leaves. I'm already getting ideas. Oh, these are loving these. Oh, look at these. Oh, and they're top drilled. Oh, how pretty. Oh, and look at these. Okay, let me get everything together and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting off with the number one. This is a 9-piece 20 by 39 millimeter cherry quartz glass man-made teardrop pendants. These are so pretty. Look at the, oh my gosh. All right, let me get them all. Here, let me lay them down for a minute so you can kind of see the plastic things kind of, but and they're like, they go like in a uniform. So this being the longest ones, these are, I mean, these of course these would be a beautiful beginning to a necklace, like to make a pendant, just one long pendant like this. These are absolutely beautiful. Look at these up close, they're so pretty. Oh, okay. And number two is a 7-inch strand of strawberry quartz round beads. These are so pretty. I mean, this would be really pretty just as a bracelet. I always do that because I'm like, for people who, you know, are kind of afraid to make jewelry, you know, to get anything, you know, unique going, you can just start out with a simple stretch bracelet. It seems like my nails match this month and all this stuff. My nails match the cord. Pick that out right. So these are gorgeous. And number three is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter cherry quartz glass man-made round beads. These are beautiful too. These are, if you look, these are a little brighter. These are a little more of like a mauve color, but great accent. So we have these. And then next we go back to more of that mauve color. This is 7.5-inch strand strawberry quartz nugget beads. They're really pretty, and each one's just a little bit different. They're made. And then next is 7-inch strand of 8x6mm cherry quartz glass man-made faceted rondelles. I love rondelles. I have come to really love them over the years. They work really well between other beads, like using them as spacer beads. And they almost just, you know, work as like a middleman, shall I say, for round beads. Because they're flat on both sides. These are really pretty. Oh, we're going to have fun this month. And number 6 is 7.5-inch 6mm cherry quartz glass man-made faceted plated beads. Oh, these are pretty. I don't know if you can see that sparkle in there. Very pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous. And then, look at this to match. We have 2-piece 8x11mm strawberry quartz and brass faceted charms. Look at these, the way they go together. That's, I would think this is the front because it's got the little leaves on it. Look how pretty that is. Oh, you know, the possibilities are endless with this month. I mean, really, absolutely gorgeous. And then for number 8, oh, look at these. 10-inch strand of 6mm crystal faceted teardrop beads in scarlet AB. I'm kind of moving them around so you can see that iridescence and sparkle. I love when they give you these and then you have like some matte beads to go with it, because they just, the way they break up, you know, a piece of jewelry, you get that pop of sparkle, but then you can use something matte in there. I already have an idea for what I'm going to use. I've already got an idea. I love, anybody who follows me knows, my favorite thing to make is necklaces. I make a lot of them. I do make some bracelets and some earrings, but necklaces are just so much fun because they're more like standout pieces to me. Like, you know, you could just go to town on a necklace, but like if a bracelet's too much, then you can't really wear it. So that's why I really love to make necklaces. So that's kind of like my thing. I know some of the other designers, I love their bracelets. They make these gorgeous bracelets. So yeah, so we have that. And then next we have number 9, 11-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone and rondo beads in varied green AB. Look at that. Oh, these are pretty. More sparkle. And of course, as usual, I have the perfect seed bead. I'm going to compliment with these already. Because you know me, my seed beads, I always have to have, what do you call it, seed beads in every mix. And then number 10, let me get these out, are 10 grams of 6x3mm glass rondo beads in bead mix in strawberry parfait. Oh, look at that. So there's the matte and then the glass. Those are really pretty mixed together. Very pretty. Ooh. I will say I've missed my beads. Okay. And number 11 is 13-inch strand of 4mm glass faceted round beads in dark jade red. This is almost like Valentine's Day, too, collection. With these pinks and the reds. So pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. Oh, wait till you see these. So number 12 is 6 pieces of 14x12mm lampwork glass handmade strawberry beads. So these are, so they go like this. How cute are these? These look like candy to me. These look like strawberry gummies to me. These are really pretty. It's almost, this sounds crazy, but it's almost like I can smell the strawberry smell off of them. Like like these are sugar. Absolutely gorgeous. And next is number 13, 30 pieces of 12 by 6.5 millimeter glass top drilled leaf beads in true green. So these are really pretty. And then you have, where is the, oh, here it is. I'm like, where is, I couldn't even see the whole, okay, now I see it. Okay, so there's a couple of them right there. I was like looking, I'm like, oh my God, did they forget to drill mine? So yeah, that's them. Oh, so pretty. We are going to have a blast this month. Stay tuned for lots of tutorials. And next, number 14, 6 pieces of 10 millimeter rhinestone round beads in bright red. So these are you got these are pretty. Just, you know, like I said, for that little pop of sparkle with something matte. Very pretty. And then next is number 15, and these are 50 pieces of 6 millimeter leaf bead caps in antique silver. So let me see, I'll get one just to kind of show you up close. That's what they look like. I love them. I like the leaf beads this month because they'll go with this whole, they go with this palette. And then number 16, we have 10 grams of 6 by 7 millimeter flower blossom silver spacer beads. So get a couple on here. So here's what they look like. Very pretty. Okay, these have a little bit of weight to them. And then next, these are interesting. 4 pieces of sterling silver plated brass vine links. Now, these, here, let me put one. So, let me turn it the right way. So this is the front. It looks almost like they're both could be the front. Yeah, they look like they're interchangeable actually. So what they do, kind of put one in. So the hole goes through the top like this on both ways. Let's see here. Oh. There we go. Okay. So see how they connect, and they've got a hole on the top and the bottom. So these would be a really cool connector. Very interesting. And there's 4 of them. I've never seen anything like this from Bargain Bead Box before. They're really pretty, and they're very dainty. So you can use them for like a tiny pair of earrings or something. And number 18 are 6 pieces of 9 by 19 millimeter leaf detail marquee links in antique silver. So here's the front, and then here's the back, and these are thick. These have if you could see the thickness there, these definitely have some weight to them. But they're cool on the back too. So like if you use them, you know, when they flip over, like if you use them for dangle earrings or something and they flip over, they look really cool in the back too. Okay, and next, this is really pretty, is a 13 by 15 millimeter platinum plated brass leaf toggle clasp. Now this is really pretty. So all you do is you there's a jump ring right there. So you just take the jump ring off and then it connects. So this would be connected to the necklace and then this would be connected to the necklace. So really pretty. It's very pretty. Oh, my Piper is barking. And I missed her so much on my trip. Number 20 is 1 meter of 4 by 3 millimeter hypoallergenic stainless steel cable jewelry chain. I like this kind of chain the best because it's the easiest, like it's thicker than some of the other chains they give, and to cut it up and use it for pieces of jewelry, you know, like in between beads and all that. This is my favorite. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I am really excited to get going with this. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave all of the information below in the description. Just click on the button or on the word when it says more, and it goes into a drop-down menu. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you could, where it says hype, if you could hype my video, that gives my channel a really big boost. It only takes a second, and I really appreciate it. I love creating jewelry and bringing you guys new ideas. And, you know, I try to make things pretty easy on how to make things. So I hope you enjoyed this. And I also will leave links to all of my social media as well below. And I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.